show you a makahiya plant. So when I pull it a little slightly, it closes like that. Kind of like that.
Hanap ka pa.
Some more here. Here's some that are already closed. And here's ants. There's a lot of them here in the Philippines.
Bye.
Bye. Hi everyone. We're gonna show you a santan flower. You can even sip on it. So I'm gonna pick one right now. You can make bracelets with it. With what? Yes, I'm gonna show you how. Oh no! There we go. Got a big flower. First we pull out this. Okay. And then you sip here. You know how to make a bracelet? Sweet. And then this is a number 4. My dad said that the number 5 ones are lucky. I got a number 5 one right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is number 4 one, regular.
You see?
I got 4 one. Then I'm at 5. Okay. Bye. We've learned a lot about nature today and collected stuff. Flowers in a bag. We got a mango and guava and a lot of other things. Flowers. So that's like what we had to say.